Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are here to solve your mystery. Is it possible to find someone you played with on Roblox? Let's find in. As for now, Roblox does not have a built-in feature that allows you to see a list of players you recently played with. However, there are a few indirect methods you can try. If you were playing in a public server with other players, you can try asking them if they remember the username of the player you are looking for. Or if you remember the username of the player you are looking for, you can try searching for them on social media platforms or Roblox forums. Sometimes players share their usernames or experiences on these platforms, which might help you reconnect with them. Unfortunately, without a dedicated feature in Roblox to track recently played players, finding someone you played with can be challenging, especially if you didn't exchange contact information during the game. So, if Roblox ever updates this feature, we will definitely let you know through the video. Please like and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.